Are there any eldest daughters among you? And have you ever heard of Eldest Daughter Syndrome? This refers to the common psychological tendencies and behavioral patterns that many eldest daughters share. I'm Asaki Matsuzaki, a psychiatrist. Eldest Daughter Syndrome is not a term used in ordinary psychiatric practice. And of course, it is not a mental disorder.
However, it is a term that can be useful for understanding the psychology of being an eldest daughter. So let me introduce it here.
As for the features of Eldest Daughter Syndrome, let me give you the following 5. First, because they are treated as the big sister. They often end up taking care of their younger siblings or helping their parents. And through such activities, they frequently develop a strong sense of responsibility. Second, because they have taken on the role of the reliable one in the family.
To lean on others, to depend on someone, or to show their vulnerable side. They often find it difficult to do these things.
Third, because they have kept trying to live up to expectations, they tend to become perfectionistic, and they tend to be strict with themselves. Fourth,
By repeatedly giving priority to a younger sister's wishes,
continually putting their own feelings aside, and consistently prioritizing the needs of those around them. As a result, they may lose sight of what they truly want, and their self-esteem may decline. Fifth, as paying attention to others' expectations and evaluations becomes a habit, they tend to lose the ability to voice their own opinions and tend to find it hard to say no. The background of Eldest Daughter Syndrome can be noted in the following factors. Here are 3. Towards the firstborn daughter, who is the parent's very first child, the parents may place excessive expectations on her and become overly anxious. That is the first factor. Second, with younger brothers and sisters around, the eldest daughter naturally tends to take on the role of the reliable one. Third, such as housework and caring for younger siblings, for the eldest daughter who is entrusted with many parental roles, parentification. This is what may occur. Of course, not everyone born as an eldest daughter is the same. However, many eldest daughters do share similar tendencies.
And in fact, there are reports that many female politicians were eldest daughters.
The characteristics of an eldest daughter, such as having a strong sense of responsibility and demonstrating leadership, can certainly be strengths. On the other hand, they can also lead to difficulties in life or to mental health problems, so one needs to be cautious. That being born as an eldest daughter can influence a person's identity, their personality, and the formation of who they are. I found that quite interesting.
So, if you yourself are an eldest daughter, or if you see someone around you who is,
and you notice the traits I've mentioned here, please share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. And please share this video with your friends, especially with those who are eldest daughters.
That's all.